birthday to you.
I'm Jasmine and Karen.
Que le muerda. Hey, Karen.
That was fucked up. It was for me and Karen. Let's do it again in the middle. Karen.
Préndelo otra vez, préndelo otra vez.
My mom is so freaking cute. She wrote me this. I just bought some new extensions and I spent $400, so she gave me half of that for my birthday. And she gave me an Alexa with some chocolates. Something gray, Isis, for my room.
Oh, maybe for a tiger for you.
Maybe a tiger? No.
Or maybe this for a candle for you?
For a candle?
Yeah. Flowers.
No, 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 no.
Or maybe this.
Fire bill. Let me see. Do you even know what it says?
No. Can you read it?
It says, I love boys. You want me to have that in my room? You do?
I don't do that.
We didn't find anything for my room, but we passed by the clearance section and we saw these baking cups. They're Halloween, 49 cents, and also this baking tray, and it says a very sweet ending. It's really cute. It's also 49 cents. So we can obviously use this later on. This is the last spot. Yeah, we're done for the day because I'm already tired. My gosh, you guys, look how messy this store is. Mira, aquí está la Isis también ella limpiando. Oh my gosh. So, Isis got some makeup. Y está toda greñuda. And I found a few things. I just got some mats for the restroom. And I got a tablecloth. It's a pretty Easter color. And I got some pillowcases because I have some white ones right now, but I don't like that material. So I want to try the silky material. And I got some makeup remover wipes. I usually buy them at Walmart, and I saw them at Ross. I think they're the same price as Walmart. And you guys, I found... Okay, espérame, okay, baby? I found the perfect trash can for my room. It was a little bit pricey. It was $17.99, but it literally matches with my mirror. And right now I have a Barbie one. My mom bought me that one a while ago and I thought it was cute, but it's time to let go of it, and I feel like this one's perfect.
Lena, makeover.
Oh. She's so beautiful. Oh, Dios mío, ¿qué me estás haciendo? So you guys, I went to Ross. I wanted to buy a few things for my room. I really want to add some stuff to this wall. Try not to pay attention to it. I have a huge mess. But I recently bought this huge mirror. It's so beautiful. I still have to hang it up and I have to take these off. But basically this wall over here is a mess. I bought this little table at Ross too. and it doesn't match with my room, but I'm thinking on spray painting it like a nice glittery silver, I don't know, like a nice color that will obviously match with my room. So it was $60, and I thought it was a decent price, and I liked how it was small because my room is pretty small. I don't have that much space to work with, and I just thought it fit perfectly there. So the whole purpose for this trip was to look for something for that wall, and I think I found it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work out. Obviously I'll see until I hang them up, but yeah, so I got this 3-piece comforter set. It's all white and it has silver trimming, so I thought that was really nice and I liked it, and I really like the look of the all white. So this one was $30, and then I got a mattress pad, and I really like how it feels. It reminds me of, like, you know, when you stay over at a hotel, like it just feels, it feels like that. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels comfy and fresh, so hopefully it works. And then I got some slippers just to walk around the house because I'm always on my slides and I feel like that's kind of annoying. I got some leggings, and I really like this brand, and I like the high-waisted ones. I love the high-waisted ones. These are $12.99. And I got a face towel when I take off my makeup, and then I got a towel for the shower. This one was $7.99, and I don't know why I got gray. I feel like that's too much gray already. And I bought this for the upstairs restroom, just for the inside the shower. And then I got this really pretty frame. I'm thinking I'm putting a picture of my goddaughter on this one. And I'm gonna put this one probably like on top of my mini fridge. I got a wallet. I needed a wallet that I don't care about, and this one, honestly, está feita, but I really didn't care because I just need one for, you know, just to take to work, just to throw it in my bag, because my expensive ones, obviously I care about them and I don't want them to get messed up. I got this candle. Now this candle looks pretty beat up, but it smells so good, and it was on clearance for $5.49. But it smells literally like a guy cologne, and I love that. That's like such a turn on for me. And then it was great. I'm just gonna, you know, obviously peel up the sticker pack and also mire tan feo. And then I got this sweet pea. I already have the smaller version of this one. I just got a bigger one. This one was $7.99. And I got my boyfriend some candy. These were $3.99. I got some socks. I like the socks that are high top and the ones that are thick. I don't like thin socks. And then I got my boyfriend some crew neck shirts. See if he likes them. He likes V-necks. He doesn't really like crew necks, but I feel like if these are really tight on him, he's gonna like them. And he looks really hot on really tight V-necks. So I just got those, and then I got him some PJs, which I thought were, you know, kind of cute. And these were $14.99, I believe. Yeah, $14.99. And then I got some pillows. Just some Nautica pillows. These were like $15. And I got a small rug. I already have a really big rug for this area of my room, but I decided to get a smaller one for under the TV, so it could be under over there. And maybe it'll look cute, maybe it'll be too much, I'm not sure. This one was $14.99. And then I got some more candles. These were $6.99. And I got these frames right here. Now these are so beautiful. I feel like they're gonna be perfect for my room. I hope that they are. I hope I like how they look on that wall. I got 2 of these. And I'm filming this on my phone, so it looks like super zoomed in. But I got 2 of those. And then I got a bigger one. This one was $12.99. And this one's a little bit different. It doesn't have the glass, the see-through glass like these, but I feel like it'll look really pretty once it's hung up, obviously. And I'm thinking I'm gonna like print out some quotes or something. I think I'm gonna go with that idea. Yeah, it looks perfect. Exactly.
Grating zucchinis.
Zucchini, did you see that
squash.
cucumber?
There's not cucumber, dumbass. Squash, I think. I don't know.
So GC's going to be meal prepping for her dog. She's going to make some patties
With veggies.
And what time is it? It's so late. It's already 10. You're gonna be done like in probably 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
Hi, GC. Y todo el día, today was her day off. The whole day she was sleeping. And until right now she wakes up and she's gonna start doing this. She should have done this way earlier.
I didn't just wake up, bitch.
I'm gonna come back and I wanna see the patties like in 2 hours. They better look good for the dog, eh?
Me va a tumbar a la verga.
No pasa nada.
El pinche culo. Está moving her, man.
Ey, ¿no huele a miados la niña?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Mujeres que les gusta la parranda, acompañados de mujeres muy hermosas, que les toquen sus corridos.